What's Gucci YouTube gang? This your boy Uncle Nasdaq back again, guys, with another banger. So you already saw that we're looking at the direction of NFP. How did we catch the direction of NFP? So now you know the vibe. So already you can see we took a buy on NFP. We bought Nasdaq, we bought gold, we bought everything. The only thing that didn't move is US30, right? I don't know for what reason, but yeah, as we killed. Nah, sharp. Before we get into this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below for whatever reason you want me to drop another video, and then check in the title in the description below, description box. You can join my free signals group, or you can subscribe to the recommended broker that I recommend, right? Nonetheless, guys, let's get into the video. Yeah, another thing before we get into the video, my WhatsApp number is below if you want to get a hold of my full course, right? If you want to get the strategy of how we anticipated the Nasdaq buy on NFP, you can check out my number there in the comment section or whatever. Nonetheless, guys, let's get into the video. So like I said, the market was trending up. So what you can see is that the market keeps creating higher highs, and it didn't break the higher lows yet, right? It didn't break the higher lows yet. So what I saw here on Nasdaq is we were creating some type of a nice trend line here, right? So if you can go down to the H4 time frame, you can see that trend line is actually valid, right? Because now it has 3 touches, right? You get the point. So nonetheless, I also saw this resistance here, this small resistance, and then I was thinking to myself, right, if the market, because that time, remember that time Nasdaq wasn't here yet, right? The market wasn't here. So I was like, okay, fine, the market is in an uptrend, right? So we should be looking for buys, because that's the rules of the market, right? If we're in an uptrend, you should be looking for buying opportunities, right? So on my point of view here, I was just looking for my buying opportunities, right? Because I'm a big fan of trading trend lines, and I believe the trend is your friend, right? So me, I was just looking for my buying opportunities. And then now when you scale down to the H1 time frame, you can now see that this was the move of NFP, right? This here was the buy of NFP. Let me just highlight it. This here was the buy of NFP, right? That there was the buy of NFP. So that was the buy that we caught. Sorry guys, that was the buy that we caught on NFP, right? So if you can check closely, it showed us that the market was creating some sort of touches here on this trend line, and after it touched this trend line, it keeps on bouncing off very strong. So for me, it was just an opportunity to buy on the NFP move, right? And then one thing that I can see on the 15 minutes time frame before the buy was that the market was creating some sort of support, right? The market was creating some sort of a support here. Then I saw, no, this thing is just a buy, right? Because if you can go to the 1 hour time frame without the support, you can actually see the market creating some type of correction before the NFP movement, right? You can actually see some type of correction. Now let me teach you a secret about trading indices and trading Nasdaq. One thing you should know is the market always moves in 2 ways. It's impulse, correction, and impulse. So after the market creates an impulse like this, you have to expect the correction, and obviously after the correction, what do you expect? The impulse to the upside, right? This whole impulsive move to the upside, right? So we actually took 2 trades on NFP. We took the buy here, and then we took the sell to the downside, because on the sell already we saw this bearish engulfing candlestick. This one, we already saw that bearish engulfing candlestick. We took our entries round about there. When this candlestick closed, we took our entries, and then you know the vibes, guys. We closed round about somewhere. Let me just this is also a tool that I use, which is called the Fibonacci. I use this tool to measure my take profits and stop losses and whatever. So this was our take profit, guys. This was our take profit at the golden zone, right? Because now you can see there's also a support there, right? So yeah, so I'll drop another video on Nasdaq if you want me to drop another video on Nasdaq. And if you want to get the CPI signal, the CPI signal, you can just join my lifetime signal group. That's nothing, just contact me on the number there, just WhatsApp me. But if you want me to drop another video like this after trading CPI, give this video at least 30 likes, and then I'll drop another video like this, guys. So for me to show you guys proof that we actually made money, you can see that if I tap on the history there, there's withdrawal there. So you can see a quick withdrawal. It's a real account, no jokes. Yeah, guys, so that's the end of the video. I'll catch you guys on another video. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button if you are new here, and do the most, guys. Sharp.